guys. Welcome to World in Conflict Part 3.
Formation has started in some areas already. Any belongings you can bring with you.
Single player.
So just bring what's absolutely necessary.
Wisdom Champion.
What is it?
Mr. President, General Morgan, we have a situation developing in Seattle.
The situation, General?
Communications have been sketchy, but it appears that Russian troops have managed to sneak into port using disguised cargo ships.
Let me get this clear. You're saying that we have Soviet soldiers on American soil, General? That we've been invaded?
Yes, sir. It seems more are coming in. We have precious few units in the area, and they're putting up what resistance they can.
My God. What are our options?
They're rather limited, sir. If we start pulling divisions back from Europe, we'll lose what control do we...
I know. But don't we have anything to defend our own country with?
I've ordered what units that we have to go west, sir.
Who's leading them?
Colonel Sawyer, sir. He's as tough as they come.
Well, he better be. Assemble the staff. Situation room, 20 minutes.
Very well, Mr. President.
We fled east with the darkening sky behind us lighted by the many fires downtown. Some have later
Welcome to
but I
Gun
think it only
Channel.
in the same direction. Seattle was lost the moment those ships entered the harbor, and there was never any
Last part
holding the sea
in the US.
to leave behind. Captain Bannon kept a sem of war. We'll never know whether we were obeying his commands or they just happened to coincide with what we all thought best. We followed the free webbers with the war close on our heels. Some artillery had already landed in the area, and I remember seeing a broken swing set lying on its side next to a blackened crater. I think it was with me. He'd been invaded. Thing would ever be the same again.
One in Europe, style 555. Time for us to take another call. Hi, you're on the air. If you would, calm down.
Run!
That's a lot of people. They better get a move on or the commies will pound them to pieces. I guess it's on us to protect them. Damn civvies. Wonder when Colonel Sawyer will get here. We need the reinforcements, but I could do without him. Continue toward the bridgehead, Parker.
Soft target engaged and defeated.
Get some defenses up by the freeway. Won't be long before the commies get here. Troops are ready for action.
For your protection, sir.
Bradley APC here, sir.
Ready for combat. Anti-tank unit moving out, sir. Moving out. Getting a ride, sir.
Bradley infantry transport
We're all in the
ready.
transport.
Bradley firing from position.
We're ready for duty. Moving out. Will do, sir. M40 getting a ride, sir.
Ready to... Yes, sir, will do.
Yes, sir. Armor
That was the
available.
last one,
We
sir.
are ready to rumble. Bradley APC moving out.
This vehicle is ready to drive.
Armor is combat ready. Armor's ready to go. Consider it done, sir. Driving to coordinates. Armor transport reporting in.
Get a move on, Parker. We need to get these positions up ASAP.
Attacking the enemy.
Looks like the commies have caught up with us, people. Some Russian scouts have been spotted not far from here. Nothing to be worried about yet, but I get the feeling more are on the way.
What? Then we're getting busy with the repairs now!
God damn it, they're here already! Return fire! And remember, we don't have any reinforcements to call on, Parker.
Hostiles defeated!
Bradley here, sir. Awaiting command.
Going to target!
Launch that tow! Yeah, got it.
Troop carrier waiting, sir. Special ammo loaded. Yeah, we're here. Loading up with armor piercing.
Hostile
Things are
target
getting ugly
defeated.
down here, sir.
Your order.
Ready to repair. Mechanic is in place, sir. Starting repairs. Fueled up and ready.
We're supporting the troops.
Parker, the Russians have gathered a lot of civilians at some houses not far from here. Now they're putting them on school buses. We have to get to them before the commies take them away.
Bradley here, sir. Spinning those tracks. Rolling, sir. Bradley, rolling, sir. Armor moving as ordered.
Engine is
That's the spirit, Parker. Get them!
Armor is combat.
Kill all of them so we can get those civvies out of there.
Target. Bradley returning fire at hostiles. Corner. Your order. Enemy talk. Go. Launch that tow. Fire that tow. We're
hostile
supporting the
defeated.
troops.
Firing armor piercing now.
Your order. Armored transport joining combat. Awaiting command.
What now?
Kill confirmed. Bradley here, sir.
Fit for fight, sir.
Yes, sir. Armor available. Laying down suppressing fire. Driving to coordinates.
AT squad here. Exalting building.
Hostile.
Good job, Parker. At least you can do something right.
Eagle 6 to Captain Bannon. Give me a sitrep.
Bannon here. We're engaged at the bridge and we're trying to get a bunch of civilians out of the area before the Russians come in force. Come in, Parker. Russian infantry has been sighted near a house belonging to General Levinson. I just talked to him. His family is still there and they must be evacuated before it's too late. I wonder where those bastards got his address.
Yes. Sir, on our way, sir. Embarking, sir. Sir. We're all in the transport. We're moving to position. Moving into the transport. Everyone's aboard.
Moving out. Tracks are moving. Bradley on the roll. Rolling, sir. Moving out. Bradley APC moving as ordered. Bradley firing from position. Launching tow, sir. Launching tow. Moving out, sir. Armored transport entering combat.
Mechanized here.
Hostile target defeated.
Putting her in gear.
Armor ready. Moving out. Driving to coordinates.
Anti-tank unit here. Going, entering building. Going, entering building. Entering, securing building. Going into the building.
Armored transport. Moving as ordered. Rolling, sir. Armor's ready to driving to coordinates. Yes, sir. APC moving out.
Rifle squad is here. Embarking.
Your order.
Last member aboard.
Roger. Will do.
We can't last much firing armor piercing now.
We're supporting the troop. Locking hostile. We need rolling. Roll. We need heading to coordinates. Anton, come on, move! Get them out of there! Get them out of there now, move! Come on, hurry, hurry, there's no time! Wait up! Here you go.
Good! You got him out! I'll let the General know that his family is safe. Now, see to the rest of the evacuees.
Understood, Captain. Get those civvies across. We're moving into the area now, and I can call in some fire support for you.
Roger that, sir. Parker, we have to hold the bridgehead while the buses move across. Don't let any Russians through.
Bradley infantry transport ready.
Okay, people, this is how we'll do it. Parker, you deal with the ground forces as best you can. Bannon, if you see any units that Parker can't handle, radio their position to me, and I'll relay it to the artillery.
Moving out.
The school buses carrying the evacuees have started moving across the bridge, Colonel.
Good. Don't let the Russians through. They're using helicopters to drop troops on our side, but we'll make sure the road is clear. Eagle 6 out.
Bradley on the roll. Consider hostile vehicle destroyed. Armors, red tracks are moving. Armored transport reporting in.
I'm airlifting reinforcements to your position, Parker. Make good use of them.
I have infantry in the woods to the north.
I read you, Captain. Target marked.
We got the chopper. Roger, will do. Enemy down. Armored transport ready. Smoke screen activated. Bradley here, sir.
We're engaged.
Rolling into combat. Hurry up. Spinning those
Armor
guns.
approaching from the northwest.
I've got your target coordinates. Fire support incoming. Stay low.
Armored transport ready. Shoot.
Parker, you klutz. We just lost the position. Take it back.
Bradley APC moving out. What now, sir? Bradley APC here.
Parker, Ivan is sending a large amphibious force across the lake. Be prepared.
Moving his orders.
Covering fire.
We need orders. Rolling into combat. The troops. You're heading to coordinates.
Incoming fire.
Bradley here, sir.
Incoming
You're
fire.
doing good, everyone. The buses are almost across.
Armored transport ready.
Incoming fire. Hurry up with those orders.
Lost a unit.
This is a hail of fire. Move. Eagle 6. Heavy armor to the south.
Message received. Good call, Captain.
Copy a smoke screen.
They've got one of your units.
Focus on the enemy. I'm breaching the building.
Bradley here, sir. Enemy
Tearing them down.
Awaiting command. Firing
The
at
evacuees are safe. Now we can focus on killing Russians. We've handled the first wave, but there will be more coming. Meet me near the bridgehead in 10.
enemy neutralized. Moving on.
Finally, you have winning.
Here he comes.
Lieutenant Parker, good to see you alive. And Captain Bannon, seems I can't get rid of you.
Seems that way, Colonel.
Well, from what I gathered, you did a decent job at organizing the retreat, but I'm prepared to let bygones be bygones. Screw up again, though, and you'll pay.
I won't, Colonel.
We'll see. This is Captain James Webb, and this is First Lieutenant Parker and Captain Bannon. They fought with me in Europe.
Hey, it was tough going over there. Sorry I missed it. You shouldn't be.
We need to see about blowing that bridge so the Russians don't roll over it. Get back to your units. We'll take it from there. You there! What's your unit?
Washington National Guard, sir.
Don't matter. I need an orderly in your ring. Get your stuff. We're moving. Now, soldier.
Bannon, what the hell were you thinking fortifying that position?
Sir, it was Parker who...
Never mind. We can use a forward position there to delay the Soviet main force when it arrives. That would be the perfect job for you and your tanks, Bannon. Get over there now.
Yes, sir. Bannon out.
Webb Lieutenant Parker, Ivan's gonna come down that freeway like a cannonball on fire, and we have to delay him long enough for the bridge to be blown. If we let his heavy armor get across, the entire state will fall before we know it. Understood?
Affirmative, sir. Come on, Parker. We'll dig in on the other side.
Available, sir. Your orders.
Will do, sir.
Parker, I'm leaving some of our reserves to you. Call in what reinforcements you need.
Anti-tank unit here, sir.
Fit for fight, sir.
Heavy infantry, good to go.
Infantry moving.
Lieutenant Parker, we have to do something about those Soviet helicopters. I just got a line on some out-of-service anti-air batteries in the area. If you could fix them up, we might get rid of those choppers once and for all.
Sheridan, ready? Spinning those tracks.
We're in a tight spot.
Engine is running, sir. Rolling, sir.
Ready for duty.
For your protection. Catch them up, sir.
Keep going, Parker. Now get those shovels out.
This is Eagle 6. It looks like we're going to be here for a while. I've contacted the Air Force to see if they can help us blow the bridge, but they've failed to respond so far.
Sir, can't we just leave that bridge and get out of here?
If we do, Washington State is lost, Bannon. I thought I made that clear. You are to hold until told otherwise, Captain.
Understood, sir. We have to retake that position we just lost, Parker.
Ready for duty. Yes.
AT squad ready.
Those choppers need to be dealt with, Parker. Why don't you do something about it?
The perimeter needs to be engaging hostiles.
Hurry up. Enemy target.
And the ability to
Stay low and move.
Incoming fire.
Shoot that target.
Where do you want these rockets?
We're in a tight spot.
We need orders. Engage the target. Confirm. Armored transport joining combat. Yeah, got it. APC attacking the enemy.
Destroy the target.
Good. Heading to coordinates. Armored firing. Going into combat.
That's one to two hostile.
Going to push.
Parker, this is Eagle 6. How's it going with those repairs?
Sir. Reporting in.
Rifle squad,
Yes,
reporting
sir.
in.
Ready for action. We're all in the reporting in.
Want a fast
Ready for
transport
duty.
somewhere, sir?
Infantry moving. Moving into the transport.
Troop carrier rolling out.
Everyone's aboard.
Yeah, we're here. Loading up with armor piercing.
Bradley APC. Moving as ordered.
We're losing ground, Lieutenant Parker. Retake that position.
Bradley infantry. Yes, sir. Armor available. We are ready
Catch
to
them
rumble,
up, sir. Want a fast transport somewhere, sir? For your protection. Mechanic is in place,
is
sir.
running,
Start
sir.
repairs. Catch them up, sir.
We finally got some air defenses up. See if you can fix the rest of them, Parker.
This vehicle is mechanic is in place, sir.
Armor
Start
is ready
repairs.
to go. Armor is combat ready. Sheridan driving to coordinates.
Fueled up and ready. Starting with the repairs.
Armor ready.
Ready to... Yes, sir.
Armor's ready to go. Rolling, sir.
Troop carrier waiting for... Catching them up, sir.
Damn it, Parker. Ivan just knocked out those AA guns for good, and he started to fly in infantry. This won't make things easier.
Yes, sir. Will do. Deuce is on the switch to armor piercing. Ready to repair.
Russian airborne infantry spotted, Parker. They've dropped behind our position.
Armored transport around. Bradley APC moving out. Target destroyed. Bradley firing from position. Moving his orders. Bradley APC rolling out.
We're getting busy with the repairs now.
Bradley APC here, sir. Armor's ready to go.
Anti-tank going into the building. Ready for securing buildings, sir.
rifle squad is here!
Reporting in. Getting a ride, sir.
Want a fast transport?
That was the last
Fueled
one,
up and
sir.
ready. Starting with the
Armor
repairs
ready.
for your protection. Patching them up, sir.
Armored transport driving to coordinates. Hurry up! Target tank in flames. Sheridan, heading to coordinates. Spinning those tracks. Tracks are moving.
Troop carrier waiting for orders.
Target overrun.
What do you want, sir? Let's get it moving!
Heavy infantry, good to go.
Direct hit on the enemy, sir.
We're ready with the heavy weapons.
Defeated an enemy, sir. Want a fast transport somewhere, sir? Fueled up and ready. Mechanic is in place, sir. Starting repairs. We can't last much firing. Armor piercing now. Evading. Incoming fire. What is it?
Kill confirmed. We're available for action. Yes, sir. Driving to coordinates. Bradley, rolling.
This vehicle is ready.
Hostile target destroyed. Ready off these rockets. What?
Mechanized here.
Squad available, sir. Your orders.
Moving into the
This
transport.
vehicle is patching them up, sir.
Sheridan ready for orders. Target overrun. Keep that missile locked.
This is Eagle 6. Good job. Now hold them back while I see about getting that bridge below sea level.
Repairing them now.
We're in combat. Bradley here, sir.
Give us your
Unit
orders.
command.
Enemy soldier. What is it? Firing armor piercing now.
We're ready with the heavy weapons. This is Bannon. How long are we supposed to stay here by ourselves?
Until I say so, Captain. You should be happy to be here considering what you have to answer for. Now focus on killing the enemy.
Affirmative, sir. Bannon out. Enemy target destroyed, sir. Commies are so damn fast. They must have dropped airborne units all over the city.
Your reinforcements are on the way, Parker. They'll be landing shortly. Stay clear of the area.
We'll be cut off if we stay here much longer. Can't we drop that bridge now?
I'm seeing to that, Captain. Now stay in place and calm down.
We've got casualties.
Bring off these rockets. Enemy defeated, sir.
What now? We're getting busy with the repairs now.
Bradley here, sir. Launch that tow.
Enemy defeated, sir.
All down incoming. We're in
Enemy target
combat.
destroyed, sir.
What do you want? Stop firing armor piercing now.
Enemy defeated, sir.
We're taking hits.
Anti-air vehicle
We need orders. We need orders. What do you want us to do, sir? Fire that missile.
Hostile defeated.
Unit lost.
We're under attack. We can't last much.
Parker, the enemy is gaining ground. Fight them back. Unit here, sir. Hostile target destroyed. Parker, we'll lose everything if the Russians fortify that position. Attack them.
We can't lose that bridgehead, Parker. Kill those enemies.
Enemy defeated. Unit orders. What now, sir? Firing at hostile. Keep that missile locked. Fire that missile. Pushing our Sheridan to rolling around.
We're in a tight move. Big line. Hostile target destroyed. Fire those launchers now.
We need orders.
Negative, sir. We can't do that,
Rolling
sir.
into combat. Armored transport
What do
ready.
you want, sir? Joining up with the transport.
Everyone's aboard.
Armor ready. Consider it done, sir. Taking the perimeter.
Looks like they're cutting us some slack, Parker. but stay focused. I bet more of them are coming our way.
Parker, the local hospital hasn't been evacuated yet, and Ivan is closing in. Get over there and set up a perimeter while they finish the evacuation. Webb will have to hold the bridgehead by himself in the meantime.
Not a problem, Colonel.
Sheridan ready for orders. Moving as...
Hurry up, Parker. They need your help.
A lot of civilians won't get out of the city in time.
I think those civvies are in for some rough times, Colonel.
Yeah, we must try to evacuate as many as possible.
Sheridan ready for orders. Armor's come moving out. Tracks are moving.
Parker, Ivan is dropping airborne troops at several different locations, but our scouts have pinpointed their rally points. Put some shells on those targets, Lieutenant.
Russian airborne infantry spotted, Parker. They've dropped behind our position.
Use artillery or whatever you have, Parker, but make sure Ivan doesn't get organized or we'll be hard put to defend this bridge.
Fast tracks are ready to roll, sir. Moving out. Driving to coordinates. Armor's combat ready. Sheridan engaging the enemy.
Sir. Sir, AT squad going into the building.
Your orders. Somebody on track. Get this recon tank. Move smoke screen activated.
Heavy infantry good to go. And going into the securing building, sir.
You got him running, Parker.
Fast tracks are ready to roll, sir. Move the perimeter. Armor's ready. Moving as ordered. Coordinates. Sheridan moving into party.
Lieutenant, you were ordered to go to the hospital. The colonel told me you were dependable, but I have yet to see that for myself.
Infantry moving. AT squad ready. Going into the building. Ready for duty.
Armor ready. Light armor initiate attacking. The tracks are moving. We're available for action. Moving as ordered. Driving to coordinates.
Heavy in. Moving out. Entering building.
Armor ready. Fast tracks are moving out.
Infantry, good to go. Will do, sir.
We're awaiting your orders. Going to push it, sir.
We're in a tight spot. Enforced entry now.
What do you want to do, sir? Awaiting command. Smoke screen deployed.
Where do you want these rockets?
What now? Push it. Don't leave that building intact. Get that missile locked now. Fire that missile. Get that missile locked.
Bang on target, Parker. Good job.
Yes, sir. We got a missile ready. Sheridan ready for the front. Fire that missile now.
Moving out. Going and securing
Good
building.
job, Lieutenant. You just bought us some precious time. It'll take hours before those airborne troops get organized.
AT squad ready. Reporting in.
Sheridan ready for orders. Armor's ready to
Reporting
go.
in. Entering building.
Good. The evacuation is underway. Secure the position and hold until it's complete.
That soldier is dead. We're available for action. We're awaiting your locking hostiles. Get that missile locked now. Light armor attacking the hostiles. tanks are ready to rolling her up. Hostiles targeted, sir. What do you want us to do, sir? Targeted. What now, sir? Target. Going to push it, sir.
Not many left, Parker. You're doing well.
Destroy the target.
Hostile target destroyed.
Hostile target defeated.
That was the last of them. Well done, Lieutenant.
Eagle 6! Eagle 6! We're under heavy attack! I got commies all over the place! Looks like the whole Soviet army! Need backup now!
Calm down, Captain. Parker will call in fire support for you. Stay in place, and he'll help you deal with the attack.
Roger that, sir! Enemy defeated, sir.
Parker, Webb will take temporary command of your forces while you focus on using all available fire support to halt Ivan's attack. The Air Force will bomb the bridge, but we have to hold until they get here.
Copy that. Those tanks are about to become scrap metal. Hunt her out. Target coordinates hit. Reporting high enemy casualties.
Hell yeah! Take that, you commie bastards!
On target, Lieutenant. Keep it coming.
Artillery barrage turned the target area into dust.
This is Bannon! We're falling back platoon-wide! Keep that fire incoming until we're across!
Parker, I want you to destroy all strategic targets in the area. Oil tanks, gas stations, electrical substations, and the like. Ivan might have taken Seattle, but we won't make it easy for him.
Parker, where the hell is that fire support? My people can't handle this by themselves!
This is Zulu Niner. Coordinates locked down. Shells on the way. Target area has been turned to dust, including hostiles. This is Zulu Niner. Mortar
Take some American lead, you son of a bitch!
Lieutenant, the Russians are throwing everything they have into the attack. Call in fire support now!
First platoon clear! Second platoon, start moving!
Understood. We're inbound. Taking south.
This is insane! We have to fall back faster! There are thousands of civilians behind us trying to get away. If we fall back now, they're gonna get caught in the fight. Do you want that to happen? But there's too many of them! You faced worse odds before, haven't you?
He's right, Bannon. Now pull yourself together.
I will, Colonel! Call in a fire danger close, Parker! We can take it!
Whoa! That's some explosion. That's what I want to see, Parker. Scorched earth.
Parker, you klutz! We just lost the position. Take it back!
Over and out.
Second platoon has made it across! I'm sending third now! I have Russian forces inside the perimeter! Get some shells on them before they dig in, Parker! There's so goddamn many of them! We need all the fire support we can get, Parker! More, you hear? Fan it out!
Copy that. Fire mission received. Zulu Niner out. A perfect artillery hit. Keep those coordinates coming. This is Hunter. Hostile tanks designated as primary target. Enemy units in the target area have been destroyed. Copy that. Phoenix is in transit with payload. Now? Zulu Niner, we copy. Firing for effect. Over. This is Phoenix. Enemy target destroyed. Hostile units in target area are annihilated.
This is Bannon. All my people have made it across.
Good. Take up positions around the bridge.
We should have left earlier.
Shut up, Captain. The B-52s are incoming. As soon as the bridge is down, we'll fall back to the next rally point. Button up, everyone.
Orders received. Tank buster in transit.
That's gonna take a while to rebuild.
What's that thing?
This, my friend, is a portable CD player.
Portable?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
What's the sound like?
I'd show you, but the batteries are dead. I wish I could find some new ones.
Watch out!
Stow away that toy, soldier! But it's from my daughter, sir! Go! Cabrón.
Goddamn maniac. Let's see if we can get a ride back to the rallying point.
Yeah, I need to get back to HQ.